Hello, everyone, and welcome back to CSSBattle.dev. It is October 18th. Our shape today is one square inside of another, tilted off to its side. Not a bad little shape, but I'll be honest, we've got a quick one today. The direction of our elements is pretty straightforward here. I mean, I pretty much laid it out. We've got two elements, one square, inside of a second square. Just put that in the HTML, and then we color them the proper colors, and then we tilt it off to the side. I think this one pretty much took me 5 minutes. You see a lot of these shapes actually in just online, on the web, regular stuff. CSSBattle likes to make a lot of difficult, intricate shapes. But when it's something simple like this that you see like everywhere, it just comes as a snap. It's practically a reflex at this point. And the great thing about it, anybody could do it. I mean, literally, you see me do this. You see me write out the code. If you're watching this, you could make this yourself. And to be honest, when I started CSS and HTML, it was it's like a great basis if you want to start coding. It's really quick to learn. I think HTML and CSS, whatever. I think it took me about a month to get it down pat, and then with practice, you've got it. And then once you have the skill, you could build any kind of website out there. At least you could build the front end. The front end meaning, you know, what people see. There's also different page functionalities, like what happens when you click a button, what happens when you scroll, are there any animations, that kind of stuff could take more time. But this basic stuff, shapes and colors, easy peasy. You've got it. And just like any skill, it just takes practice. You could see here, right? The body is pretty straightforward as always. You do the display flex, which means how the shapes are displayed. You're able to flex them in different different calculated ways. The code itself does the calculations on its own. So when you say display flex, it knows that it's going to be calculating these things in the back end, what you don't see, right? And then you got the justify content, which centers that, flexes it towards the middle horizontally, and then align items, flexes it towards the middle vertically. Yeah. Okay, so here was something interesting, right? Making our element, usually with a lot of elements, you can, if you have one inside the other, when you go to style those elements, you can define, hey, I want to mess with this element that's inside of this other element. But you can see here I changed it and added some IDs, and that worked way better. I'm not sure why, to be honest. Maybe it's because like I'm generally messing with an element rather than a specific ID, so it doesn't change certain attributes the way it does when you have it specifically set out. Yeah. I mean, we're here. 5 minutes are pretty much up. It's great when it's fast, right? I mean, I like the longer ones, but it's so satisfying when you look at it, you know what to do, and you get it done. Anyway, that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.